Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Recipe Keeper mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a helpful tool for organizing your recipes on the go. Recipe Keeper is available on both iOS and Android. It lets users easily import, store, and categorize recipes in one place. You can manually type in your own recipes, copy them from websites, or even scan handwritten ones with your device's camera. The app supports adding photos, tags, and categories, making it easy to search and sort your collection. It also includes tools like meal planning and a shopping list that syncs across devices when logged into your account. One of the main strengths of Recipe Keeper is that it's fully customizable. You're not locked into preset fields or formats, which is ideal for users with a variety of recipe styles. It's especially convenient for home cooks who want to combine online recipes with personal or family dishes. However, a major drawback is that while the app is free to start, many features like cloud sync, unlimited recipes, and meal planning are locked behind a one-time upgrade. Also, some users report that the app can lag or crash when managing a large recipe collection. Overall, Recipe Keeper is a flexible and user-friendly app for organizing recipes, but full functionality requires a paid upgrade and it may not perform as well with large libraries. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, please refer to the email in the description.